Right up there. Hit him, hit him, hit him. Get low, get low. Eyes forward, come on. Keep moving, quick, quick, quick. 5 seconds, move it. Time. Get low. Come on, 5 seconds, keep moving. Oh, no, no.
Well, it's like this, it was a show on YouTube. Back when people would do like super things. This one guy, he can run basically forever, depending on his chest, but he... Move, 42. Stop! Up!